In this question, the principle provides for, it explains to us the concept of strict liability. That is, strict liability means that the person who has, for his own purposes, makes non-natural use of land. So first essential is non-natural use of land and keeps there anything likely to do mischief if it escapes. Second point is the thing should escape. Third point is then the person is prima facie answerable for all the damage which is the natural consequence of its escape. So these are the three important points that have been made in the principle. Lastly, the person shall be liable for all the natural consequences of the escape. Now let's read the facts. In a countryside agriculture area, there were, now this is this basically is there were many cornfields, one of which was owned and operated by X. One of the neighboring field owners, Y, started operating farm on his land. One day, a large number of cattle fled away from the farm and substantially damaged the crop of X. X sued Y for damages under the rule of strict liability. Now, in this question, the correct answer is A. That is, X shall not succeed in his action against Y. The reason why A is the correct answer is the principle clearly states that there must be a non-natural use of land. So if we read the facts, we get to know that the land in the present state of facts was merely used for breeding cattle and therefore it cannot be considered as a non-natural use of land. Further, even if the cattle escaped and caused the damage to X's crops, Y will not be held liable under the rule of strict liability because there are certain essentials, and one of the essentials is there has to be a non-natural use of land. So since there was no non-natural use of land in the present set of facts by X, what we can by Y, what we can say that is A is the correct answer. That is, X shall not succeed in his action against Y.